Add Maths 2012, Paper 2, Question 12. I'm going to start by ranking. You can use 1 as the highest or lowest. What is important is that you're consistent. So whatever we use for sunshine, we must also use for rainfall. I'm going to use 1 as the lowest, but I can see that I have 1,364 twice, so they're going to take the values 1 and 2. So their average, 1 plus 2 is 3, divided by 2 gives us 1.5. The next value up is 1,412, it will be 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeating this then for the rainfall, the lowest rainfall is 599, then 780, 806, 1005, 1056, 1244, 1260 and 1314. Now for spearman's rank we need to know the difference in the ranks, so that's 5.5, 1, 4, 2, 6.5, 2, 4 and 7, and for the formula we need to square each of these. So that's 30.25, 1, 16, 4, 42.25, 4, 16 and 49, and for the formula we need to add all of those together and we get 162.5. Remember the formula is in the formula booklet. It's 1 minus 6 times 162.5 all over n upon n squared, so that's 64, take away 1, 63, and that gives us negative 0.935, so that's a negative correlation. We're asked to draw a line of best fit. First thing we need to do is work out the means, and the mean for the sunshine is 1,490 and the mean for the rain is 1,008. To draw the line of best fit we've got to mark this point on, so there's 1,490 and 1,008 will be here, so plotting that point roughly there. The line of best fit must go through that point. I don't have a ruler tool, so I can't draw an accurate straight line. Make sure in the exam you use a ruler and it goes through the mean values. For the rest of the question I'm going to use the diagram from the mark scheme. So I'm trying to find 2 points that sit on the line, and I can find one here. I'm going to use my mean values. So this point is 1,425 and the y value is 1,140. My main points were 1,490 and 1,008. So the gradient is the change in y, so that's 1,140 minus 1,008 divided by the change in x, and that's 1,425 minus 1,490, and that gives us negative 2.03. To find the equation of the line of best fit, we're going to use the fact that y equals mx plus c. So y has to equal minus 2.03x plus c, and we know that when y is 1,008, that x is 1,490. So c will be 1,008 plus 2 times 0.3 times 1490, and that gives us a c of 4,032.7. So y is negative 2.03x plus 4,032.7. My answers to part 6 vary slightly from the mark scheme, and that's because I've come up with a different answer for the gradient. I've used different points. But you can see here it says correct method, and I have used the correct method, so they should give follow through from the diagram.